Okay, so this is gonna be where our sinks are going. So we got two drains for our sink and a thing at the far end right there. That's our gonna be a clean out, and those are our drains. So we put these in now so that they can backfill and start working on the grade beam. I still have to put the two risers up. So this is our drain, or our sanitary, that's the official name. And then down here, so we've got a backflow preventer, and so that's our sump. So when the ambulance comes in here and they wash it, the water can go in there. And then this is the oil separator, and then this is our backflow preventer right here. So there's going to be a clean out right there. We still have to do the two vents, and then this is going to go down that way. So you can see over there it's compacted everything, so we've got road crush